So when I was in the university, I passionately wanted to earn extra income as I want to have some personal savings as a student, and I don't want to always ask my parents for money every time. So this made me explore various opportunities, and today I'm going to be sharing with you those opportunities, which is the side hustles to do as a student in university. The first thing I would love to talk about is the attitude towards work really matters. If you want to work and study at the same time, you need to be able to properly manage your time. So that is the first thing you want to do even before you start considering working. So when I was in school, for me, I plan how my day goes. So I'm like 8 to 5, I'm reading, 2 to 3, I'm gisting. So I had to plan my time well in order to be able to have time for other things, because even if it is virtual or it is physical, it requires your time and requires you to prioritize. So the second thing you need is to be hardworking and to be dedicated. If you actually want to earn extra income, you need to be focused. You need to know, okay, if I'm giving my 2 hours for this thing, I'm doing it well, because most people love a quality job. So if you actually want to earn money and you want to be good at what you do, you need to be hardworking. The third one is dedication, inquisitiveness, and a passion for ongoing learning. So you need to also be able to inquire from people. You would have people in your class that they are working too, so you want to know, what are you doing? So there are some skills that you might not have, but there are things you can learn in school and it could be giving you money. So these are the 3 basic values that I consider to be very important. So let's go right into the jobs that are available. So the first thing you want to do as a student is you can work as a transcriber. So what a transcriber basically does is that you listen to an audio interview, an audio, and then you type it out. So you give them the written text of the audio you listen to. So for a transcriber, it's not just about listening and writing down. You need to be able to understand context. You need to be able to interpret clearly, because there are some transcribing work that you will need to actually write in a better language. So now we have AI that can help you to also rephrase words and put it in a good order. So you can work as a transcriber. So I'm going to be showing you platforms at which you can work as a transcriber. The first one is Upwork. So I'm going to put you through on how to go about Upwork. The first thing you want to do is to go to Upwork. So you want to create an account with Upwork at www.upwork.com. Then you sign up as a freelancer. That you're looking for work. You accept all cookies. Then after that, you apply. You want to input your first name, your last name, your email, and your password. And also you select the country at which you are from. Then after filling in the details, so just because I wanted to show you people how it works, so I'm just trying to use something that is not mine, but just to show you, to illustrate what is going on. So Juju is the first name, Faye, and then the password that I generated myself, and then you create an account. So after you create the account, you'll be sent an email immediately. So when you receive, you go to your mail, you verify that it is your mail. So you click on verify email. So after verifying the mail, it takes you back to the page. So when it takes you back to the page, then you can start filling all your details. So tell you, congratulations, your account is verified. So then it directs you to the main page where you start filling all the things you have to fill. So you answer a few questions and you start building your profile. So are you brand new to this? Do you have some experience? So for me, I have some experience, but you can pick your brand new to this if this is your first time of transcribing. Also, what is your aim? Is it to earn income, to make money on the side? So you want to pick your answer. So I chose to make money on the side. Also, and how would you like to work? So is it that you want to find opportunities yourself, or you would like to package up my work for clients to buy? So it's maybe you're selling books, virtual books. things like that. How would you like to tell us about yourself? So professional role are the things that you do. So transcriptionist, or a transcriber, sorry. So you are meant to had your experience. Have you had experience before? In the beginning I picked that I had some experience, so that's why I was asking me for experience and certifications. But for someone that says I'm brand new to this, you can still just put in one or two things that you know about transcription, and if you've taken any course, like you've read up on something, so you can add it to it. And it also asks you about your language that you speak, your skills, and just like that. It's quite very easy. It's pretty easy. Also, aside signing up to work in Upwork, there are also other organizations that offer transcribing opportunities for beginners, for intermediate level, and for expert level. Also, you can meet lecturers. You can get referrals from people. When you tell people you do something, surely there'll be referrals. All we just have to do is to be focused on what you're doing, to be an expert in it, such that people will refer you. People will be proud to refer you to other people. So the second job that you can do as a student is you can work as an home lesson teacher. So you can either work as a virtual one or a physical home lesson teacher. So there are various companies in which you can sign up with. So when you sign up with them, so when they have jobs, they call you and then you choose, you input the times you're free. For instance, after having your class schedule, the way your classes will run for the week, all you just have to do is to check your free time and then tell them I'm free from 2 to 5, I'm free from 3 to this. In fact, I'm free from 7 to 9. So they can help you slot in some classes in which you can do, and they pay you per hour. At the end of the month, you collect your money. So that is also another thing you can do. You can also choose the level in which you will teach. So for instance, some people teaches SSE, there is JSE, there is basic level, in fact there's primary level. So based on your efficiency and based on your capacity, you can choose the one you want to do. The third job I'm going to be sharing is that you can be a survey data collector. So you know that research is an important aspect when it comes to the undergraduate level. So a lot of people need help with data collection. So they want people to help them go to the field to collect data. So it could be numerical, which is quantitative data, or qualitative data, which involves you interviewing people. So whichever way, you can plan yourself, check online, check the baseline, plan the fee you're going to be charging. You can say per questionnaire is 100 naira. You can say per questionnaire is 200 naira. So based on your capacity and based on how you feel like you can do it. For me, I just feel like quality speaks louder. So when you know you're doing a quality job, you charge higher for it. So the fourth thing you can do is you can be a data analyst. So you can start with learning how to analyze quantitative data, which involves numerical data, values, and you working with that. So when you start with that, you can learn this skill. There are courses that you can take, learn the skill, and you can earn money from it. Even your own project work, you can analyze it yourself, and that saves you money. So the fifth one I'm going to be sharing is affiliate marketing. I know one way or the other you would have heard about affiliate marketing. There was a time I was planning to join affiliate marketing too. So I know a particular person that is a professional in affiliate marketing. So she works with expert Mia. I'm going to be sharing her YouTube page, so you can follow her, chat with her if you're interested in joining affiliate marketing. That's also a virtual platform in which you can earn money, just that it takes time, and also you need to be dedicated. Someone that is not dedicated cannot get money from affiliate marketing. And the last one I'm going to be sharing is Amazon KDP publishing, book publishing. Amazon KDP book publisher. So you don't need to be good at writing before you become a book publisher. You can publish sketchbook, logbooks. You can draft something, just be creative, and you sell on Amazon. So there are experts that teaches on how to go about Amazon killing. I've heard a lot about it and how people get a lot of money from it. So they are just short skills and little skills you can learn in order to be a good person. And at the same time, it's not just for now, because even after you finish from school, you can keep on doing these things and getting money from it. So I hope my video today was enlightening. If you love more of this, kindly subscribe to my channel.